Have you ever stood in front of the mirror and said, I love myself, I will be confident, I am successful, only for your brain to reply immediately, no, you're not? If that's happened to you, you're not alone. You're not failing at your affirmations. And the problem isn't you, it's how we've been taught to use them. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Clarity Journey with Lisha. Today, our topic is about affirmations and how you can use affirmations the right way. Let's quickly talk about what affirmation is. Affirmations are positive statements that people repeat to themselves to influence the way they think, feel, and believe. The idea is that by repeatedly telling yourself something positive, you can gradually develop a positive mindset and start believing in yourself. A few years ago, I became fascinated with affirmations. It was all over the internet, and many people were practicing it in their daily life, standing in front of the mirror, talking, repeating affirmations daily. Social media made them sound magical. Repeat this affirmation for 21 days or and see how your life changes. And so even I started following those affirmations. I tried it daily, like every day in front of the mirror, and I used to say those affirmations. But honestly, when I used to repeat in front of the mirror that I am fearless, internally I didn't feel that. I felt like I was lying to myself because deep down my mind would answer, if you're a fearless person, why do you feel the fear? If you're so confident, why do you still feel scared? Affirmations simply didn't work after doing all of those. But then I realized I wasn't understanding how the brain works. There is a way in which you can make your affirmations work for you. Interestingly, psychologists actually tested this. In one study, there was a people who had extremely low self-esteem. They were asked to repeat positive statements like, I'm a confident person, I'm a lovable person. You thought they would feel better after repeating this, right? But many of them actually felt worse. Why? Because their brain didn't believe those statements. There was a big gap in between what they were saying and what they believed. And the bigger the gap, the more uncomfortable they felt saying it. That's why affirmations sometimes feel fake, not because it doesn't work, because your brain is looking for something to believe. Your brain looks for evidence. Our brains are constantly trying to make sense of our reality. They compare new information with what they already believe. So if you believed for years that, like, say, for example, you are a shy person, so you say to yourself, I am shy, and suddenly you tell yourself, I'm the most confident person in the room. Your brain notices that gap, and internally it says, that doesn't match my experience. I was shy once, when I was in my new job and I walked in and I was like, I couldn't, say one word to my manager. How can I say this in the mirror that I'm confident when I have that evidence of me being shy? Asking your brain to ignore the years of evidence. Your brain learns from evidence. James Clear, who is the author of Atomic Habits, talks about identity based habits. Every action you take is casting a vote for the person who you want to become in the future. One workout doesn't make you fit, but every workout is an evidence of who you're becoming. That is, you're becoming someone who exercises. That's how identity changes. Not overnight, but one small action at a time. You have to learn how to frame your affirmations that each time you say to yourself. Like, for example, if you say, I am fearless, instead of saying that, you can try, I am learning to act even if I feel afraid. And like, instead of saying I am successful, you can say, every day I'm trying to build a skills that would make me successful. And like, instead of saying I love myself, you can try learning to treat myself with more kindness. You see the difference there. These affirmations don't ask your brain to believe something impossible. They invite your brain to believe that something is believable. You need to be clear with your affirmations. Your affirmation should be realistic and something which is truthful. There was an affirmation I used to repeat that said, everything is perfect. But that did not change me. Affirmation, what I used to repeat to myself would be, I can do the hard things. Because life is hard. Every time you face something difficult, your brain collects evidence that is true. Please do not think that affirmation is going to change your life. They don't change your life, they change what you pay attention to. Psychologists call this selective attention. When you start believing something is possible, you begin noticing opportunities that you might have been ignored before. There is one reason why affirmations are very powerful. They don't magically change your reality. Affirmations can absolutely work for you, and they work best when you put an action towards it. Words alone can rarely change your life. Instead of asking yourself what affirmation I can repeat daily, ask yourself what small action today would make this affirmation feel a little more true, because every action comes with evidence, and evidence is what changes belief. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you liked my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, do let me know in the comments what's one affirmation you want to start living, not just repeating. Till then, bye bye, take care.